sure it's recording now. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's about 6 o'clock in the morning, you know, just the normal time to do stuff to my car. I'm getting bored with my exhaust tone. I want to change it up a little bit, so this morning I'm going to unbolt my muffler and just, you know, drive around with the partial exhaust for today. So let's see how that's gonna sound. It might just sound like a wet fart, but who knows, and it's gonna be fun experimenting, so let's get to work. Let's pull this thing off. Okay, get that in the air. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are under the car now, and this is what it looks like. Real dirty, ugly, rusty. We're gonna be unbolting the exhaust right from that point. And there's a hanger right after that connection, so it won't be dangling. I won't have to worry about it scraping on the ground. So we're gonna unbolt this. It's two 14mm. It's a nut and bolt. Wish me luck. Alright, well, this is awkward angle, but it is what it is. Working on the car, and the car is always awkward. Nice. Glad I used never seize on these bolts, so they never seize. Alright. Well, that came off easy enough. Let's go ahead and break this other side free here. You son of a bitch. Alright. Got the ratchet on that side. Get that side on there, and damn, that wasn't tight at all. What? I might have had an exhaust leak this whole time, boys. This gasket is just falling apart on me. Stupid bolts out. You fucking bitch. Alright. 1 and 2. Where the hell did the nut go? Okay, so it's just gonna wiggle a little bit, but maybe I'll just zip tie it so it doesn't wiggle, you know, zip ties are your friend. So let's go ahead and get this piece off of the exhaust hangers. Alright. We don't need any lube to pull it off here. It's a little tight. Ow! Just grinding my knuckle. Bam! Whew! Success. You know, lube or WD-40 would make your life easier, but I don't have time for that shit. I gotta go to work. I'm gonna do this. Have a good time. Oh, see, there's my alarm clock. Well, I'm up early today. 6:15. Get this hanger going. Okay, we are free. Our very expensive NVIDIA exhaust is now just a cheap straight pipe with nothing fancy. Whew, just a Ricer wet fart exhaust. Check it out. No more sexy rainbow tip. It's all the way down. It's actually more than the muffler. It's like half of your exhaust, but yep. It is what it is. And I also figured out that my gasket totally had a leak. Look at that. You can see that my gasket is just like disintegrated, and there's black residue around the edges. Bam, solved the problem. I'm gonna buy a new gasket before I bolt that thing back on. But first, we're gonna have some fun today. So let's go. All right, guys, it is go time. Let's unleash the beast. Good morning, neighbors. Oh man, this is just darn right ridiculous. Oh man, I just like picture my neighbors coming out and just giving me the finger and yelling at me. I don't want to cause any trouble, or do I? It's so loud. Oh my god. Oh, people are just gonna hate me today. Bring on the hate, man, because I'm gonna have a blast doing this. Alright, let's just ease it out. Don't do nothing crazy. Crackle Pops. Oh, this is great. So excited right now, you have no idea. Oh, this reminds me of the time when my exhaust did bust off on the freeway when I first bought the car. And I was just running straight header, or just downpipe basically. That shit was so loud. Oh man, it sounds like I'm driving a fucking NASCAR. Right now. Oh my God, this is life. This is fucking life. Oh my God, this is amazing. I suggest anybody try this, but just watch out for the cops, because they're gonna fucking get you. Everyone's looking at me like, this guy's fucking nuts! Hell yeah, I'm nuts, I don't give a fuck! I just wanna like go make friends with Priuses right now. I can't stop smiling, guys, I'm so sorry. This is so fucking cool. I don't know if I'm gonna change it back. This is so fun. This is the best. I don't care who you are, dude. You would enjoy driving this car. Oh my God! I love this car. One more. At work, and we're done being loud, I think, so we'll pick it up at lunchtime. See you guys later. Lunchtime. Oh, yes, listen to it purr, baby, purr. See what my coworker thinks of this. He's not a car guy, so you know, even for me it's like stupid loud, but it's just awesome. It's just so exciting, and with not having the seats in back here, it just amplifies it even more. The helicopter is taking off.
That was your car. That was a fucking helicopter. I heard it upstairs.
Alright guys, we are just getting off work now. We're gonna start this beast up. Just listen. Just listen to this. Here we go! La 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 la. Sure, my car is actually louder than a straight pipe car because it's pretty much like straight out the header. Maybe like a 3-foot pipe after the header, or not the header, but the downpipe. Pretty proud of that, you know. Keep your cool, Jake. Keep your cool. Don't do anything stupid.
Cut off a paramedic around here, so we're gonna settle it like it pulled over.
Come on, you're killing me. You're really killing me. You're really killing me. I wanna go fast. Well, that was fun. They see me rolling. They hating. Definitely not the smartest idea to come down to the beach when you're open header right now, but you know, it's gonna be fun because we're just gonna have some fun, you know. It's gonna be that guy for a day or a couple hours. Ah, look at a pop! Oh, we got a Subaru behind us. Check out a Subaru back here. Sick RS. Oh, there's a Mustang behind me. Oh shit. Oh boy, they're watching me. Everybody's watching me. Unlimited crackles and snaps and pops and headaches. It's a little loud, a little loud, just a little bit. Just a little bit loud. That sounds like a fucking V8, homie. Little do they know, a little 4-banger with a turbo. Downshifts are just fucking sound so good. So wet fart noisy, you know? Fucking firework and shit. Vibrates my whole fucking car. Like my chair has a massager in it. Scared the shit out of that guy. Fucking doesn't have his blinker on. He's trying to get over. It's what he deserves. It's what he fucking deserves. Alright, we're illegal. We're definitely illegal. Oh my god, what just happened? Shit got crazy. I passed the cop too back there. I was holding my GoPro out the window and he didn't want to do anything, thankfully. Oh, it's so illegal, but it's so good at the same time. It's pretty fun. It was pretty fun. Pretty fun, I gotta say. It was totally worth it. Totally worth the 10 minutes to unbolt it. Oh, this is adrenaline rush for sure. If I ever had one, this is it right here. You can just have one just driving the car normally with an exhaust and then just fucking cut off the exhaust and it's like 10 times elevated to excitement. I'm starting to sweat. My heart rate is really up there. This can't be daily driven like this. It just can't be. I don't care who you are. Oh man, you got a yellow lie. Oh man, I should have floored it and they would have caught me. They would have caught me right in dirty. Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh fucking shit. I hope no babies are sleeping in the cars next to me. They'd be pissed. It's so loud! Loud and proud! Peace, homie! Peace! Peace it out! Subi Dooby, I see you, brother! What's up? Expect me to straight pipe, did ya? You looked over and like, oh my god, that thing's a beast. Thing's a beast if I ever heard one. God damn. Well, that was going straight pipe for the day. It was just a stupid idea I had this morning, and I made it happen. And we're home. All right, let's quiet down and just kick it on into neutral. That was a journey of a straight pipe Subaru from my work to the post office to home. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and until the next adventure, we'll see you then. For the downshift! Wait for the downshift! I did it! Fucking did it! Downshifting! Wish me luck.